The police high command has ordered a top-level investigation into whether a police corporal is linked to a criminal gang in Portmore, St. Catherine. The 52-year-old corporal, who is attached to the St. Catherine South Police Division, was arrested last night during an operation by members of the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Branch CTOC in Newlands, St. Catherine. Investigators suspected that the cop was a member of the Umbrella Gang and that he went to the area last night to deliver guns and ammunition to gang members. An AK-47 rifle, a Taurus 9mm pistol, and several rounds of ammunition were reportedly found in a vehicle driven by the policeman. The corporal and an 18-year-old man were held with the two illegal weapons during a snap raid on Myers Lane, Newlands, St. Catherine. The policeman's licensed firearm was also seized. A pair of license plates was reportedly found in the trunk of the car. A man suspected to be the intended recipient of the guns escaped. He goes by the alias Terror Blacks.